Hey guys, a video on AMD. Yeah, sorry, I had a video on ARM yesterday with a wrong thumbnail. So if someone pressed on it, here's the update. We have 18% post-market pump, and yeah, like I've said on the Intel, on the ARM, on the Aluma videos, the chip sector is really exploding. So 1, 2 here, 3 higher volume here, okay? So for now, I'm labeling this as a wave 3, then potentially this as a sideways wave 4. And then today, we'll have to wait and see what the volume does. If the volume goes above this peak here, then I'm gonna have to move the wave 3 to there, and then still assume we need a 4 and a 5, okay? But this is getting insane. Like, I've set on the Intel chart as well, and on the ARM chart, it's a bit clearer, but on the Aluma chart and on the S&P itself, that look, all we can do is just follow the price with the FIBs and wait for a range because it's not giving any pullback. Okay, look at the 4-hour RSI. It went up to 94 and it's been like overbought for a while now, but still it keeps going up. Okay, so it can stay here for a while as well. I looked at some historic data, like it can just keep grinding up the S&P as well, especially if now oil keeps dropping like it does today. There is more and more signs that the US and Iran are gonna talk. China is now pushing towards talking. Like China is pushing Iran towards talking and resolving this. If this drops, oh my, it's gonna explode. I think like everything is already exploding despite oil being high. Okay, so imagine if oil drops, we could get really a squeeze here. Okay, and then yeah, there is some data about when there's a new Fed chair. I think May 15th, Powell will be replaced, if I'm not mistaken. Whenever there is a new Fed chair, there is usually some correction of like 5 to 15% on the S&P. So a lot of charts could use a pullback, okay? And another 1-2 setup inside a larger wave 3 then. But we have to take every chart by itself. I'm just trying to say, look, everything is really overbought. It's nice, yep. I have a lot of positions that I have had for months. It's now paying off. But if you buy in now without any other positions, it's risky. Okay, that's not saying that you shouldn't buy, but you should understand that there is more risk here than when price was here. Okay, if you buy here, you could easily get a -10, -20%, especially after today even. Okay, yeah, it might even push further, but that's part of risk and reward. Okay, having had positions here, you would be in zero stress now, even if price drops 10-15%. I don't really think price will visit here anytime soon anymore, unless we have like a nuclear war or something. It's looking really good. And I think we got this one in time. I was doubting here if this is the move, but then I think we had a point of control here. We were way in time calling this the move. First we talked about taking this low. Once we did that, we talked about the potential of this next leg to the upside, which is then a wave 3 coming from this 1-2 setup. And as you can see, the target box is here. Yep, it's a calculation. Is it realistic? In my opinion, yes. It's only it's not even 3x anymore. It can do it easily if these revenue numbers and the projections keep growing, okay? And it doesn't look like it's gonna stop. The whole AI stuff, I don't think it's going anywhere. Yep, we might get a sell-off here and then, but that's normal. Charts move in waves, okay? You can't go vertically forever, okay? This is a little bit, I think, like gold and silver. The rally they had up until like early this year, and then the sell-off they had. I think a lot of dumb money will buy in here, and then it will correct. They will be shaken out, used as exit liquidity, and then price will keep grinding up because even if this corrects, it's a 1-2 setup. We have a lot of fips, a lot of room to the downside, and it's just normal for a chart to correct here and then. Okay, I'm gonna move it like this for now, but I'll make another update tomorrow and then we'll discuss this further. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.